What's going on, guys? Welcome back. For those of you who don't know, I'm a huge fan of the anime Initial D. So today we're gonna go check out the Fujiwara Tofu Bistro here in the Bay Area. More specifically, it's out in Fremont, up in the East Bay. From there, we're gonna head down to SoCal, check out the Fujiwara Tofu shop, and then we're gonna end this long journey with a whole Pacific Northwest trip, landing us in Vancouver, Canada. First stop for us, the car wash, because this thing is filthy. Alright guys, we're pulling up. What do we have here? Matching spoilers, matching big wings on the S2K and the FD RX-7. Oh, that's clean. We made it, let's go eat. First, Fujiwara Tofu themed place. Let's do it. Let's go, Pikachu Carz R33 right here. Woo. All right. There you go. We got it. Yep. You're good. Alright guys, we're with John here. Pikachu P-Car. What's up, man?
Hey.
Woo, I get to sit inside his
for coming tonight.
Hey, thanks for having us, man.
Ah,
your Sentra.
That's a playlist.
What? Dude, man. All right.
That's legit, right? You do with the songs.
Dude, 600 songs of this right here.
That's right.
Yup. Oh, man. Alrighty, y'all. We're wrapping up our Fujiwara Tofu Bistro experience. I'm with my boy, Alex. What's up, Alex? Cheers, man.
Cheers. Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course, bro. But anyways, we're going to go head to Fujiwara Tofu Bistro. They're doing a car meet. We're really excited to check out all the builds. It's co-hosted by our boy, JJ by the Bay. So shout out to you, JJ by the Bay. I owe you a hat and a shirt, and you're gonna get it today. So let's get going, y'all. All right, we got Carz doing car things. Alex's bumper popped off. You look at it wrong and it comes off, I guess. No. You know what? Ah, we're good.
It's a drift build. Nah,
it's a drift build, imagine.
Rear-wheel drive swap?
Ah, no. Woo. Looking good. Looking good. start at 9. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, Alex? Hey, good to see you, man. Woo! Okay.
He's parking next to me.
All right. Oh, that thing's clean. Yeah, we're with our boy Gio here.
Yes, sir.
Super clean 987.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
of course, bro.
So what we do is we do vinyl wraps, we do PPF, we do all that designer stuff for cars, everything from exterior to interior. So if you guys ever want to stop by, we're in San Leandro, Protect Shine Studio. Yeah, whenever you're free, come through, show some of the cars that we do. But yeah, this is the beginning of the start of what we're going to be doing with this build. So stay tuned. I'll be posting stories.
Man, this is awesome. Hey, everybody, give him a follow. Protect Shine Studios. For reference right here, we got a little Protect. This is dope. Oh, this is so clean. Should have drove the 987 today. We're right on, brother.
Hey, take it easy.
Yeah,
man.
good talking to you, man. Yo, this thing's crazy. You said it got the same shifter as you?
Yeah, the likewise shifter.
Ooh.
Or the shift knob at least.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, that window's closed. Coming around your way. Oh, that's nice. Check out this interior right here, y'all.
Damn.
Oh, that's crazy. Dude, I love bug eyes.
Me too.
Hey, Alex, how you feel about this sticker?
I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one.
All right, came around the front. Was not expecting that.
That was good.
Nice.
Big ass block.
Bro, this thing's clean.
Hey, zip ties?
Zip ties. Where are the zip ties at?
Right here.
Oh, nice. That's how you know. Yo, Germs, you're here, man. I gotta find you. Where you at? I owe you a shirt. Yo! Oh, good to see you. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? All right, we got Pikachu P-Car's lineup and Anthony's car right here, but check that out. Oh, these are clean. Look at that. All right, so everybody's got crazy trunk setups, but look at this. What is this, bro? This is cool.
Feels like I'm in elementary school when you do those projects.
Yeah, right. What do they call them? Diorama? Dude, this is a diorama for sure.
There's more on the left side of the trunk.
There's more?
Yeah.
What? All right, for scale, here's a hat. That's
Here's a shoe.
yeah, that's a shoe. Put your shoe in there, bro.
Nah.
But don't do it, don't do it.
Nah.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
Hey, dude, I got some stuff for you, man. You won the raffle a while back, and I have been slacking on getting you some goodies. Oh, thank God, my hands are free. Oh, hey, of course, man, of course. Yeah, look at that. Check out that spoiler. On a Supra.
Wait a minute. Supra? Port.
What the?
Doesn't make sense.
What the? These white wheels on this STO.
I was just talking about it, bro.
Dude.
In my head.
In your head. Oh man, this is wild though. Look at this hood scoop. The roof scoop.
Yo.
What? This is crazy.
That mobile type car.
All right, Bell, we found you, bro. Oh, so clean in person. Look at that. It's Beyonce's car right here. God, this wagon is nice. Bathroom. Restroom for customers only. All right, bro, hop in. Is that a Cybertruck? Ooh. Oh, this is yours?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
They're both mine.
Oh, they're both yours.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Different.
That one making noise, that one doesn't, right?
Oh, shit. Ooh, okay. Oh. Let's check this out.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Kind of looks like the Cyberpunk font.
Right? JR brought the Lambos out today. All right. What's up, brother? How's it going?
Good. How
Good
are
to
you?
see ya. Man, brought both the cars out today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, my dad is white, so it's like,
All right, let's check out JR's cars real quick. Ooh. Oh, so clean.
Look at the engine though.
Wild, right?
A lot of airflow.
Yeah. John.
What's up?
Man.
What do you guys think of the meet?
Dude, crazy turnout, man.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, this is insane.
I knew it was gonna be big, but it's a little bit bigger than we thought. Overall, it's been pretty good, and there's some revving here and there, but nothing too bad. We just want to make sure there's no sideshow activity.
Yeah, right. Nothing that'll get us in trouble.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But right on, man. Yeah, dude, thanks for helping put this together.
Yeah, well, it's JJ by the Bay, and Justin. It's their event. I was just here to support them. So
I love it, man.
Represent for the Bay Area, right?
Hell yeah.
Cars here too.
Yep. Dude, John holds it down for the Bay, man.
That's right. You see that? Drift car, Pagani, exotics, like track cars, wide bodies, JDM, right-hand drive, left-hand drive. We have it all here.
Yep. Even get some Teslas.
That's right.
right.
Cybertruck.
Yeah.
Cybertruck.
That Cybertruck is pretty cool, man. Yeah.
Woo. Good. It's lit.
Yeah. No, this is great. But hey, everybody, go check out Fujiwara Tofu if you haven't already.
Yep. Free mod.
Yep. All right, brother.
All right.
Hey, good talking to you, man.
Later.
Hey. We're ending it. Alex is knocked out over here. Oh, he's awake. But all right, we're calling it a day. Thanks for joining us on episode 1 of checking out all the Fujiwara Tofus. Alex, thanks for coming along, man.
Of course, man, anytime.
Yeah, this is a crazy meet. And I'm gonna go home because your boy's sleepy. And Alex hasn't slept yet, and it's like almost 12 o'clock. So
I've been awake for like 24 hours.
Dude, I don't know how you do it, man. Go get some sleep, and yeah, let's drive safe. Don't fall asleep, bro. Alrighty, y'all. Peace.